Everyone thinks the best-selling wax for black cars is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. First up is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Car Polish and Wax. Priced at $17.80. What caught my attention was its promise of deep shine and effective scratch removal. If you want a product that restores and protects your black car's finish, this is worth a serious look. This wax is specifically formulated for black vehicles, infused with black pigmented carnauba wax. What this means for you is a noticeable enhancement in color depth and clarity, giving your car that deep, glossy finish we all desire. The advanced ceramic polymers repel water and dirt, which is fantastic because it makes the car easier to maintain between washes. Plus, with UV defense, your paintwork won't fade under harsh sunlight. Now, some people reported that while it does an excellent job at restoring the finish, it can be a bit tricky to buff out if you don't follow the instructions closely. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and patient, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your black car's appearance without constant detailing. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick, one-step solution without any effort involved. For the price, it offers great value considering the results. Now, if the buffing requirement bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Next up is the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat, costing around $9.99. This one really caught my eye because it's a 3-in-1 wash, wax, and ceramic coating. If you want something that saves you time while still providing a fabulous shine, this is worth checking out. This product is impressive because it bonds to your paint in just 15 minutes, giving it a mirror-like gloss. This means you can quickly apply a protective layer without spending hours on detailing. Plus, it's a waterless wash, which is great for anyone who wants to keep their car clean without the hassle of buckets and hoses. It repels dirt and water, keeping your black car looking fresh longer. However, some users mention that it can leave streaks if not wiped off properly. Here's the thing. If you're careful with your application and use a clean microfiber towel, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need a fast and easy solution for car care. Skip this one if you prefer traditional waxing methods and don't mind the extra time. Overall, it's a steal for the convenience it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more traditional approach. Product number 3, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Spray. Coming in at number 3 is another great product from Turtle Wax, the Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Car Wax Spray, priced at $15.65. The first thing that stands out is its ease of application. If you want an effortless way to maintain your black car shine, this is definitely worth a look. This spray wax is designed to quickly fill light scratches and imperfections, which means you can achieve that high-gloss finish in minutes. Like its sibling, it's formulated specifically for black vehicles, enhancing color clarity and depth. The best part? It provides durable protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants, so your car stays looking sharp between washes. However, some users express concerns about the spray clogging if not used frequently. Here's the thing. As long as you clear the nozzle regularly, it's not a big deal. For a quick touch-up, this product is still a winner. This is perfect for you if you're busy and need something quick and easy to apply. Skip this one if you prefer pastes or creams for more thorough detailing. For the price, it's a solid option for keeping your car looking its best. Now, if you're looking for something that delivers a professional finish, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Turtle Wax Color Magic. Next, we have the Turtle Wax 52708 Color Magic Car Paintwear Polish, priced at $18.99. What caught my attention is its ability to not only polish, but also restore color. If you want to add vibrancy to your black car, this is worth considering. This product cleans, shines, and restores all in one go. What's impressive is the new formula that boosts color while providing long-lasting protection. This means your black car will not only look great, but also stay protected from the elements. It's easy to use and gives a professional finish without needing a lot of effort. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit difficult to remove if it dries too quickly. But honestly, if you keep it moist while applying and buffing, it's manageable and worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a product that adds color while also protecting. Skip this if you want something that's purely for maintenance without any color enhancement. For what it does, it's a good value. Now, if you want the ultimate protection and shine, the last product might be the one for you. Product number 5, Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Finally, we have Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax priced at $20. This one really stands out with its improved formula that promises durability and shine. If you're serious about protecting your investment, this wax deserves your attention. This isn't just any wax. It provides exceptional water beading and a glossy finish thanks to its hydrophobic polymer technology. What this means for you is that water droplets glide off easily, keeping your car cleaner for longer. It's also safe for all glossy paints and easy to apply, which is a huge plus. However, some users found that it doesn't last as long as they expected in harsher climates. Here's the thing though, if you reapply regularly, especially after washes, you'll keep that shine and protection intact. This is perfect for you if you want top-notch protection and ease of use. Skip this if you're looking for the absolute longest-lasting product on the market. Given the quality, it's worth every penny. So, to recap, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions gives great protection and shine. Shine Armor offers speed and convenience. Turtle Wax's spray is quick and effective. Color Magic boosts vibrancy while protecting, and Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax delivers premium protection. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.